Hey, Melanie Trailer. Today I have a finished Dilly Dally quilt to show you. I'm going to show you all the details and everything about this quilt. So I've been working on this quilt for 6 months. It is an advanced beginner pattern and it has 49 blocks. The book is now available. The class is completely available. So if you are interested in getting a copy of the pattern, you'll want to buy a book. If you are interested in taking the class with all the demos, you can either join the monthly membership for $15 a month, and this class comes in it free, along with all the other classes, or you can buy the individual class and have a lifetime access to this class. All right, so here she is, Dilly Dally quilt in Jelly Bean Meadow fabrics. I made this quilt with all of my Jelly Bean Meadow collection, and I will link to them below, and I'll link to the borders and other fabrics I used as well. But that border, I really feel, just kind of put this whole quilt together. All right, on the back of this quilt, I used a wide back. It is one of the wide backs from Jelly Bean Meadow, so it blended and matched just perfectly. I love those huge red flowers. Here's a little up close shot, just flowers, flowers, flowers. And Crinkle City, I think that I spent a long time on the quilting, about a week and a half. All right, and then let's show details. So it really, really crinkled. This is after getting washed and dried, so it's way more crinkly than you saw it last time in the free motion quilting video. But there is that snaking feather border. That was my favorite part. Here is a look at the hand binding I did. I finished it with a chunky stitch, and it's the lightest lavender color. I really like lavender and orange together these days. And you can see all the texture, that border, the feathery snake. I love, love, love that. And this quilt has a brand new quilt label available if you're interested in it. Dilly Dally quilt. There is a look at that. And then let me give you a little close-up of all the crinkles. This might be one of my favorite quilts I've ever made. I mean, it is high up there. It is definitely top 10 my favorites. And definitely one of my better jobs quilting, I think. I'm going to use that border in so many quilts going forward. All right, that is all I have to show you today. Links to all of the items I used in this quilt are below, and a link to either the book or the class, all right below this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a really good day.